So I'm in my PJs, but y'all know how it is when you gotta run down and go get your stuff out of the box to make sure everything that you ordered comes in the mail. Really pressed about this. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna do some unboxing, some try-ons, so get into it.
I'm catching feelings, baby.
So here I wanted to actually show you my cart of everything that I bought from TikTok. I did include an older item and I'll explain more about that later. But I got everything from jumpsuits, jewelry, things for content creation, beauty, little household things, jewelry. And to make sure I had my fellas, I even got Brandon a few shirts and I also got him something to hang up his hats. So again, while I showed you everything, I also included an old purchase in this haul. And this is the Edge Entity follicle stimulant. I bought this and I didn't start using it honestly until last month, well, December. And the consistency didn't match that, so I was thrown off. I'm trying to get the camera to capture it. Yeah, this is the consistency I got. It's tingly for sure. Tingly for sure. I used enough of it. I don't know how much more I need to use. Do I see a difference? Not so much. So we'll see. And again, these nails brittle, but that's that product. The next one was just like interesting, right? Because when it was time for me to use this thing, it did not give. This is the TikTok light. It didn't give. It clips on your phone, all the good stuff, but it didn't give when it was time. So I changed my review. Now this is for the hat. I don't know if y'all saw it. They give you this adhesive. I already got fingerprints on it. I'm gonna be honest, I thought that I got more. So it's as simple as this. So you literally just get one. It's not like a pack as I thought. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. I'll do a little update on my community page and see. So now I'm using a ring light to show you the jewelry. And the reason why is because it looks like it's tarnished. The necklace in particular since I got it. But it doesn't look that bad without the light and it's a natural light. So I don't know, it looked cute on. I'll show you a picture of how it looked. And then here, excuse that scratch on the table. Then we have these earrings. Lord Jesus. And as you can hear when I dropped them, there's a density to them. It was pretty darn impressive. I like them. Nice weight to them. It came with two different backs. There's a clear and then the standard back piece. And the infamous BBL bodysuit. Really impressed about these because you literally got 3 for $19.99. So there was a black, a charcoal gray, and a brown. I'm really pressed about how they came out. And when I saw they had the little thumb thing, I was shook. Okay, just a disclaimer, I just reapplied my wig. So got a couple of flyaways, but don't y'all worry about it. Let's apply these lashes. First, let me show you. So these are the infamous lashes that they say just give. I feel like they look different. They look different to y'all, right? I don't know, it might be the same set. So let's see. Just naturally pick the first one at the top. I do like how they look, I must say. Oh, this is my go-to, the Duo. My mother freaking go-to. I love this glue. And I love how it dries most of all. I really hate that I don't have on nails, but I'm just MFing tired of paying for these nails. Because I have curl nails, they always the acrylic and my actual natural nails, they always separate. And the reality is my nails, I used to always wear an overlay because my nails grow so well. But up here, I just haven't trusted that these people gonna know what they doing, and specifically at the nail salon that I go to. And I only go there out of convenience because it's right underneath my building. But they not on like no trendy type stuff. And that's what I hate. Like, I'm used to going to a black girl to get my nails done. I've been going to Asians. No offense, it's just, they're just not as trendy or willing to do what the freak you ask for. Like, it's always a hustle with them. They always trying to get you to put gel on your toes. No, I'm not doing that. At all. And they charging OD for gel. Anyway, that's my rant. I don't personally use, please don't hit my flowers back here. I don't personally use the tweezers and stuff to apply my lashes. Maybe because I'm a OG, triple OG, but I don't want to have to pick my face up after applying these lashes. So I'm gonna just look at this camera. Okay, maybe that's not a good idea. And the lashes. Okay, TikTok's up for y'all. Okay. Now back to the purchases that I made for Brandon. I brought this sweater. I thought it was super cute. Of course, it's showing in a blue because that's what it defaulted to. But I thought it was a really nice shirt. It actually fit. But I will say the sizing kind of threw me off. As you can see, there's a refund for this particular sweater because it ran small, but I went based on the numbers. So I guess just stick to the letters that you know, especially for men, so you can make sure that it's the right size. So I decided to save the last two, the best, in my opinion, that really would seal the deal for me, for last. So this is a video making kit. I opened it, but I really didn't like what I was seeing, so I stopped and I said, let me save it for on camera. Look how big this is, like big. I'm really excited. Let's see if they'll all come out. Okay, no. Okay, I gotta individually do it. I used to think to myself, like, you don't need that many sponges, but for different applications, I realized the importance, and that one little container had all of these. This is the one I've been most excited about. I haven't had one of these before. So to be able to pat that concealer on and nicely take it off is great. I brought one small one and I really enjoyed it. So I'm excited to have 3. And I'm just in love with brown these days. So really excited about this. Now I got my robe on. It's the weekend, so one thing I'm gonna do is not have on too much. So here we go. Like I said, very nervous. So it came to this, and I'm not tech savvy, so I'm not excited about this at all. This is pretty cool. I had one already, but what's wrong with another? Okay. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. I'm gonna be perfectly honest. I'm new to this. Okay. Ooh, Jesus. Did I break it? I don't know. I'ma just look at it, goddamn. Ooh. And then cause it's so cheap, I'm just scared, to be honest. And then you got the mic. Oh, okay. Now it makes sense. Based on the box. Okay. I think, I don't know. Y'all pray for me. I'm going to put this together off camera because I'm just not sure about anything. And this. So let's see. I figured I'd let y'all see just how confused I am. Now, if you want to know, our instructions included. Yes, there is. So apparently, this does go out like this. This goes, oh, okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Uh-oh. What should it? It should just go like this. We getting there. I feel like it should be a little tighter. Okay. You gotta do like something on the back too. Like this little screw right here. It tightens it. So that once you get it how you want it, it's cool. Okay. So then again, we're going back. This is I think the part that fascinates me the most. But this, I think, is like a kickstand. So, don't. Ooh. Again, every time I do that little click, I be like, ooh, I don't know how to do something. All right. So we did that. But now what? What does this do? Does he go on something? Oh, so this goes in the phone. And then this goes into this. Oh. And then the plug here goes with. Of course you need batteries. Jokers. Did they say that on the box? Y'all some clowns. But it says for live broadcast. I don't know, y'all. I'm kind of mad. Like, where's the battery? So it looks like the batteries needed are AA. So I'm gonna go and get some of those. But the jury's still out on where this goes. Is it here? Let's see. It is here. So it goes into the phone. This is the mic. We got this. We have our remote control. And ultimately, it'll look like this. So I'm gonna get my iPad so we can capture if I know how to do this. So from the back, this is my setup. Pretty impressive, again, because I did this on my own. From the front, this is the vibe. Okay, so I think it's doing it. I think we got it. I have the light, we have the microphone, mic check, mic check. Yeah, so let me know if you made it to the end of this video and you can tell the difference in my voice. Not intentionally did like no microphone, not that good stuff, no headset or anything to record the voiceovers, just so I can see if there was a clear distinction between using this, what do they call it? Video making kit for live broadcast, if this is really what it's giving. Here's the funny thing though. When you connect this, it's Beats, but instead of E-A-T-S, B-E-A-T-S, is B-A-E-T-S. Hilarious. But yeah. So, thanks for watching. As always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thank you for every view, like, comment, and share it with a friend so I can get to 500 by April 26th. Bye.